Yes. We will do everything necessary to protect our clients' interests, including notice to all of those na binasa ni Jano na i-take down, because liable sila. Meron tayo sa DOJ, Cybercrime Division. Miski na ang style nila, they take it down. Ang problema, sabi nga ni Jano, they take it down because of anonymity. Meron na naman silang bagong pangalan. And that is why we should also review, in aid of legislation, our social media laws. Kasi yung ginagawa nila, cyber libel, kung ang libel may parusa, ang cyber libel, doble pa. Hanggang more than 20 years. Hanggang milyon ang penalty. No? Because cyber na yan eh. Mas mabilis mag-spread. No? Maybe now we will study the matter and see how we can put an end to this. Huwag sanang mangyari sa isa pang Jano Kim.